Hello Discovery Rich Stars, welcome to my second update of our long extended break. I was actually inspired to make this video by Miss McCarty, who made a studio tour of her home art making space, and so I wanted to show you guys what my home art making space looks like, so come on in. I'm going to flip you around. So we actually use this room for a few different things. I have a very small house, and so we have to make use of our space the best way we know how. So I'll show you individually what everything is in just a second, but first I'll give you a panning shot of the whole room. And of course, she always has to be there. Say hi, Dobby. All right, so this is where most of the activity in this room takes place. This is my art table, as well as all my art supplies back here. And I have it so nice and organized, even though technically I need a lot more space than this. But I like the way that it looks right now with all the organization. So here is my art table, and what's currently on it is the two things that I made this week. So here we have my second crochet creature creation. This is Dobby, and last week I made a Harry Potter. So this is my Dobby creation with my crochet kit. This one doesn't really look how it's supposed to, and that's okay. I think he looks really cute, but I kind of went off on my own when it came to his outfit and his legs, but he's pretty cute. So there's my crochet Dobby that I made. And then this is the painting that I made in my Bob Ross style video, where I invited you guys to paint along with me if you wanted to. And that's actually the video that's playing on my TV right now. So if you didn't see that yet, just look up my name on YouTube or look on my Instagram or Twitter and you can find this video where you can paint along with me. We have DVD player. We use a PlayStation for DVDs. We have sewing machine that I'm going to teach myself how to use. We have my art easel and my ring light. We have a puzzle over here from one of my favorite places ever, Silver Dollar City. We've been working on that, but we're not very far. And then my sister uses this room for her workouts too, whenever she feels like doing those. I will also show you quickly the art that's on the walls, and you guys have seen some of these. I've shown you these in school. That's me with a cat filter on. And then here is a painting I did inspired by the musical Hamilton. Absolutely love the musical Hamilton. Here is a doggy portrait of my dog niece Dobby, the one who you saw earlier in the video, and I'll show her again in a second. And then this is a piece I did for a show at the Foundry in St. Charles. So here's Dobby one more time if anybody wants to see her. This is her favorite spot to sit, but she much prefers it if she's sitting with somebody else instead of sitting by herself. Isn't that right, Dobby? She loves to lick. She loves to lay. She loves to be lazy. I'd say goodbye, Dobby.